It is time for the debut of our new segment, Law or Nah.
Okay, so this is where we bring in some local lawyers to answer your questions about the law. And joining us today, Ken and Donnie with the Advocates Law Firm. So hello to you.
Hello.
Yeah, we're so happy to have you here, and I just love this segment. Okay, so for people who don't know, talk a little bit about the Advocates and the kinds of cases that you handle.
Sure. We're a personal injury firm. We serve the Pacific Northwest. We've been around for quite a while. We love what we do.
Excellent.
Sounds great. Okay, let's get into this first question. So this person says, quote, I was rear-ended 3 years ago. I have the insurance information for the other driver, but the pandemic happened and I got sidetracked and never filed a claim. I have a few chiropractor bills stemming from the accident. Is it too late for me to file a claim? Can I still get reimbursed for the medical bills? What do we think?
Yeah.
Wow, 3 years is the magic number. In a lot of cases in Washington, 3 years is kind of the deadline to go after someone who causes injuries or negligently. And so if it's just before 3 years, you've still got a little time left. If it's just after 3 years, then the time to go after the responsible party has come and gone.
Oh, so it's like zero chances if it's after 3 years.
Yeah, not zero, but very
Low.
very low. And then there's still other ways to get your bills paid. I mean, where you can go after your own insurance and have them pay the medical bills, so that it's not like you'd be completely out of luck after 3 years.
Oh, okay.
Right. Or if you have health insurance, you know, health insurance should kick in and help pay those bills. But I think the answer really is just call an attorney as soon as possible and make sure that you have your ducks in a row and that you're protected.
Yeah, I think the pandemic certainly kind of threw a wrench in all our lives, but you got to keep up with that important stuff, right? Okay, so we have the second question here that this one has all of us talking, okay? So this person says that their employer made an accounting error, ended up overpaying them $13K over 4 years. Oh my goodness. But now the company wants its money back. Okay, they're talking about maybe taking out $500 a month from their paycheck or sending them an invoice. So is this legal? What can you do?
So they probably can't take the money back out of the employer's paycheck. That, I mean, there's rules that kick in that say how long they have and what the look back period is. It has to be a mistake. It has to be not frequent, and it sounds like this might have been frequent, and so it would probably get in the way of the employer saying, yeah, just give us the money back.
Interesting.
So it sounds like they're saying, the employer's saying, we were going to do this in hopes that you go along with it, but maybe you don't have to.
Right, yeah.
Could you just quit your job?
You could.
Yeah,
You might want to take a
always
hard, long look at that. But you still want to be there. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So if you're feeling pressured, though, what should you do? Because maybe the policy, the law is one thing, but your job is thinking maybe they don't know, so they're going to pressure you a little bit.
Probably talk to a lawyer.
Yeah.
I would say get some legal advice, get somebody in your corner that knows what they're talking about. This question interests me because I think about it from the employer's perspective, which is, look, you have an opportunity here to really impress your employee and say, look, we made this mistake, it wasn't right, we didn't realize it, but you've been here for 4 years. We love you, we value you, and so this is what we're going to do. We're going to work with you to figure out an amount that we can take that works for you, or we're just going to let this slide and move forward and hopefully have an employee for life.
So if that did happen and they would let you, you know, keep the money, do you think they would make you like promise not to tell all your other coworkers, or do they like legally have that right? How does that kind of work?
It's interesting. I think they cannot ask you to talk about your pay. I mean, what your pay rate is, you have the right to always talk about it with your coworkers.
Yeah.
It used to be that some places would say, hey, kind of keep, and in a practical sense, it makes sense to kind of keep your pay a little quiet, because nothing good usually comes out of discussing what your coworker is getting paid. You're either going to feel bad or they're going to feel bad.
Right,
and,
right.
It's not going to be an uplifting thing.
Okay, but here's my question. So they said, okay, we'll eat the cost, but they don't owe you keeping that going, right? Like, you can go back, now that they've figured out the mistake, you'll go back to your old rate, and that's just what it is.
Most likely,
Yeah.
I would think.
I mean, maybe they'll just keep being nice and keep paying you. They're like, this is your new salary.
We could all wish that, couldn't
Yes,
we?
yeah.
Yeah,
Good.
sure could.
Donnie and Ken from the Advocates Law Firm, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great
Great to
having
be
you.
here.
Fun.
Yeah, the first of many of these great segments. We've posted a link to their firm on our website, fox13seattle.com/studio13live. We'll talk to you soon.
Yeah.